Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop wasting credits and become a VEO3 master in just few minutes. If you've been frustrated with Google V3 or feel like your credits vanish too fast and your videos don't look as amazing as the ones you see online, you're not alone. I've spent the past month pushing Google V3 way beyond what most people think is possible, and today I'll share the exact blueprint I use to get high-quality results without. The first thing you need is access to Google V3. The tool I recommend is called OpenArt. OpenArt gives you access to Google V3 through a simple interface. Although it's slightly more expensive than other options, it adds extra functionality that makes your AI workflow much more powerful. Once you log in, you'll see the homepage. To access Google V3, click Video on the left-hand side. This opens the AI video workflow. At the top left, select Text, which is for text-to-video generation. In the Model Selection field, choose Google V3.
Here's where most people go wrong. Google V3 is a sophisticated AI model, which means that normal, simple prompts will give mediocre results. To get the best videos, you need to include 10 key components in your prompt. Scene. Start by describing the scene. For example, a weathered sea captain delivers a line on deck as the sun sets, or a POV street interview. Subject. Who is the main person or object? Example, a sea captain with a thick gray beard. Background. What is happening behind the subject? Example, a busy New York street or inside a dungeon. Action. What should the subject do? Example, he gazes toward the horizon, or he jumps in front of another person. Style. Is it cinematic, horror, comedy, or drama? This sets the overall vibe. Camera settings. Specify the type of shot, angles, or camera effects. Composition. Describe how elements are arranged. Lighting and mood, golden hour, heavy shadows, warm tones, or cold tones. This creates atmosphere. Audio. Add dialogue, background music, or environmental sounds. Color palette and negative instructions. Define colors or tell the AI what not to include, preventing unwanted elements. Including all of these ensures your prompt is complete, detailed, and efficient, so V3 can produce its full potential without wasting credits. Writing these detailed prompts manually can take time. Here's a trick. I've created a short AI template for prompts. Paste it into ChatGPT. Inside the bracket section, simply describe your simple idea. Example, a street interview with a chimp. Send it to ChatGPT. The AI expands it into a detailed, high-quality prompt ready for Google V3. Copy this expanded prompt and paste it into OpenArt. Optional. Turn on Enhance to further refine your prompt automatically. This is useful for simpler ideas or when you want a quick version. Once your prompt is ready, you'll see options for audio, resolution, and mode. I always recommend highest resolution for best results. Mode options. Fast mode. Cheaper, slightly faster, but the movement looks slower and less natural. Normal mode. Full quality output, realistic motion, my personal choice. Avoid fast mode for high quality videos. Let's generate a video. Click Generate and watch the AI work. Even complex prompts, like a chimp giving an interview, come out looking very realistic and cinematic. One common problem, resolution. By default, V3 outputs 1080p, which is not ideal for high-production videos. Solution. Use the Video Upscale feature in OpenArt. Select your video, choose 4K resolution, select FPS, click Enhance Video. The result is crisp, high-quality footage ready for professional use.